So hi everyone, we can see that on this chart, for every time the market forms these tiny candles, for example, you're seeing here, it always ends up into a reversal or a big retracement from that current trend. So we can see that right here we had started a clear uptrend, but here after we formed that big reversal, for example, you see this tiny candle here, then after that we got this big reversal, bearish, and then we formed another tiny candle which is here, and then followed up by still these tiny candles, and then the market reversed into an uptrend. So those tiny candles are what we call the pin bars. Okay, they look like this, like pins, and the color doesn't matter to them. So sometimes they can have a body which is small like that, and sometimes they can have a tiny wick which is protruding. So these candles are called the pin bars, and they indicate market reversals, or they also indicate a big change or big retracement within the market. So right now in this video we are going to be studying these pin bars in details. So we are going to be looking at pin bars, and we say that pin bars, the color doesn't matter on any given trend. They can either be red or green, or they can either look bullish or bearish. Okay, so here you can also look and see that we have these candles, and every time they happen in the market they show incision. So if they occur on a downtrend, they would look something like this, and if they occur on an uptrend, if they occur on a downtrend, they would look something like that, or if they occur on a downtrend, they would look, on an uptrend, they would look something like that. Okay, so if it is on a clear uptrend, you can see that the price is also trying to push up. Okay, and in this due course you can find that you're going to get candles like this, which are here. So these indicate a reversal into a downtrend, and then the opposite is true for bullish, something like this. Then you have a downtrend, and then you see that price is fighting to push down, but this candle could be pushed up to end up into a candle like this, and this is what we call the bullish pin bar. Okay, so when you look here on the screen, we are saying that the pin bars, they are similar to hammers or shooting stars, and they therefore have similar market implication. So if you didn't watch the video about shooting stars and the hammers, I recommend that you go back and watch those videos. So a shooting star looks like this, and it happens on an uptrend, and it signifies that we are going to get a reversal. And then we can also have the hammers, which look like this, especially on a downtrend. Okay, and they would signify we are going to change a trend. Okay, and sometimes we can have this hanging man on an uptrend. So all these videos were explained. I want you to go back and watch them. They look similar to these pin bars. Okay, so a bullish pin bar occurs in a downtrend and shows a possible market reversal or a big retracement. And then a bearish pin bar occurs in an uptrend and shows a possible market reversal or a big retracement. So the color of the candle doesn't matter. Okay, so we are saying whether the candle is blue or red, it doesn't matter. So if you have a clear uptrend and then you get a candle like this, it doesn't matter what the color is. So here it is a pin bar, and therefore we expect a reversal, or we expect a big retracement. So if you're in a trend and you're making money, you be expected to use some trading stops. Okay, so if you are on a downtrend and then you get a candle like this, a pin bar is like that, you would expect to get a reversal. So sometimes they have a tiny body and sometimes they don't have a body at all. So they could look like torches, or they could also look like hammers. So go back and watch those videos. They'll be so much help. So on this chart, we are going to be looking at the entry points of these pin bars and the exit points. So for example, you can see that here you have a clear uptrend, you're making money, okay? But you can see that we have series of pin bars, okay? You can see that we have series of pin bars, and these pin bars, they are normally showing that we are going to make a retracement which is big, or sometimes we are going to change the trend in time. Okay, so they are not a sure deal, and there is nothing sure deal in forex, but still you have to put that in mind that every time I get a pin bar, for example right here, I would shift my stop loss all the way from here, or take profits can be stay there, but you put a trading stop, for example, around there. Okay, I get this pin by just shift my trading stop loss so that when the price moves against me rapidly, I don't lose a lot of profits. So you can see that here we have these pin bars. Okay, here it would have looked any color it wanted. It would all still remain a pin bar. Even here we have the pin bars, they would still make the same they want. And then still here we have that pin bar. Okay, on a downtrend, we have this one here. It is still okay, it is a pin bar. Okay, so where is the entry point for a pin bar? So for example, if you have a candle like this on an uptrend, okay, you're having an uptrend. Where is the entry point? One, this is an indecision candle. It shows that the price has been rejected. The bears have taken control if it is an uptrend. But it is still not so clear that the bears are going to win the fight. Okay, so what we do is to wait for a confirmation candle. If this candle is followed up by a big bearish candle, then this big bearish candle becomes the entry candle. For example, you enter there and then be able to catch the wave down, and the stop loss is always above the pin bar or 1.5 of the ATR. So you can also still see that right here you have this pin bar, but the candle which followed up is still unclear. It is an indecision candle. The bears, yes, have won, but they have won to a smaller extent. We want the bears to win to a bigger extent. So we have to wait, and you can see that after waiting, we get this big bearish candle. And this big bearish candle becomes the confirmation candle that the bears have taken over, and therefore we can join them and then put our sell stop order, our stop loss above the pin bar or 1.5 of the ATR, and then we could be waiting for the price to come back to this level, okay, as our take profit one. So these market retracements don't matter because still market moves in a downtrend like this. So this is this, then we expect a wave down. Or else if you expect a change in trend because of this support level which is matched with this one. So still the same thing. For example, here you have a downtrend, and then after forming this pin bars right here, you see we have this blue candle here. Okay, you can see that it is going to be followed up by an indecision candle, so we have no entry. This candle is small, so this candle is big enough for us to take it because of its high volume, and therefore we could put a stop loss below this pin bar and be able to catch the wave up. So those are pin bars. They work like hammers and dodges. So I recommend you go back and watch those videos. It'll be so much helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so in recap, we say that a bearish pin bar occurs in an uptrend. Okay, and then it looks something like this. Why? Because you can see in a bullish trend that the market will always make these big bullish candles, but after they have been pushed down by bears, they could end up something like this. And if you have a sequence of, for example, if the following candle is also a pin bar like this, it shows that surely the bears are going to win. Okay, and then we wait for confirmation candle to occur. After this confirmation candle, we can be able to make a trade. And the reverse is true if you have a series of a downtrend and then you form a pin bar, something like this. It could still have a wick, little. There we wait for a confirmation candle, which is bullish, and then we can be able to catch the wave up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and for support. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.